Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for January 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages, and thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. And pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee, available ng mga protection and prosperity items, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Capricorn. What's up with you ngayong January? And also, it's Capricorn season. Happy birthday. Happy solar return. May you have many, many more birthdays to come. And I wish you all the best in life. Happiness, success, good health. Ayan. So, Capricorn, let's see. Learning. O, ayan. Meron kayong mga pag-aaralan, no? Pagyayamanin nyo ang inyong kaalaman. Hindi naman natatapos sa school ang pag-aaral, no? So, we can also learn on our own. We can also learn from our experiences, no? Natututuran tayo sa ating mga karanasan. So, yung iba, meron kayong ipupursue na higher knowledge or higher learning. Literal, no? Na mag-enroll kayo sa school. Yung iba naman, this is about personal research. Pwedeng online na mga courses. Just to add value doon sa mga alam nyo na. Kasi, no, knowledge is power. Iba sa inyo, spiritually inclined, ay musically inclined, and pwedeng yung iba, spiritual music, yung interest ninyo, and you are learning more about music para mas maging magaling kayong mag-produce ng music. So, yung iba sa inyo, nagke-create ng music sa Spotify, ina-upload nyo sa mga platforms, no? Online platforms like YouTube, TikTok, ganyan. And then, you have manifestation. You are manifesting something. And also flexibility. Wow. So, medyo magiging busy kayo ngayong January, Capricorn, dahil marami kayong gagawin. Gusto nyo maging flexible, gusto nyo marami kayong alam, gusto nyo marami kayong kakayanan. And this is also going to help you na mag-increase rin ang inyong sources of income kasi the more na marami kang alam, marami kang opportunity na pwedeng subukan, di ba? So your overall energy is the Judgment card. So this is reinventing yourself. This is rebirth, bagong ikaw. It's a brand new you. Tingnan nyo, meron siyang music rin dito. Oh. Yung iba mag-aaral kayo ng musical instrument. Or ipupursuno nyo na yung interest nyo sa music or mas gagalingan nyo pa. What is the Judgment card? Oh, wow! 6 of Wands. Yes, Capricorn, yung iba sa inyo, you are popular. Meron kang certain level of fame. Ngayong January, people will recognize you, pwedeng sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. Yung iba nasa social media, or nasa entertainment industry, and people are appreciating your talents, your skills, and ano man yung nai-offer mo sa kanila. Your challenge, anong challenge ng mga Cabbies? You have the 4 of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. So, yung iba sa inyo, merong mga bagay na hindi na umuusad kasi pwedeng nagiging perfectionist, no? Na niisip nyo, hindi kailangan ganito talaga siya. Perfect na perfect para makamove on ako sa next step. So, minsan, kailangan na nating mag-move forward. Minsan kasi nag-obsess tayo sa mga sa perfectionism na dapat flawless. But sometimes, yun yung nagiging dahilan para ma-delay yung progress. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo, kung alam nyo na hindi na kayo satisfied sa current situation ninyo, whether this is relationship or sa career, sa business, it's time to try new things, no? Move forward. Move towards your destiny. Pwede rin tong taking some risk. So, yung iba, pwedeng nagdadalawang isip, no, na sumubok, mag-take ng risk, sumugal sa gusto niyong i-pursue or subukan. Syempre, paano nyo malalaman kung makakabuti yun sa inyo kung hindi nyo susubukan, 'di ba? So I think that's part of something that you're going to change ngayong January. So your opportunity is, wow, see, transformation. You have an opportunity to change something, to transform in your life. Merong pinto na magsasara, meron ding pinto na magbubukas for you. So it's like a chapter of your life is ending and then a new chapter is opening. So yung iba, ending of a relationship, ending a contract, ending a career or a business, that will lead you to a new experience. Oh, speaking of new experience with the Three of Wands, ito yung mabilis yung pag-unlad niya. Parang you feel like mas merong kang control, mas merong growth sa buhay mo once you finally ended or let go or release yung anything that is no longer serving your highest good. Your blessing is the Two of Pentacles. You're going to be very busy. Meron ka rin i-manage na dalawang sources of income or situation sa buhay mo na mga responsibilities na kaya mo namang i-handle. You also have the Magician. Sa pansin ko dito, laging may ginagawa yung kamay niya. Busy yung kamay nyo ngayong January, Capricorn. And I also see you na exploring or discovering your new talents, your skills through learning. Kasi halimbawa, may interest ka sa let's say sa pagluluto, pero hindi mo talaga sineseryoso before. Tapos ngayon, siseryosohin mo siya to the point na pwede kang ma-hire as a cook or a chef sa isang company or sa ibang bansa, or pwede mo ring masimula ng isang negosyo dahil dun sa knowledge na nalaman mo pagdating sa pagluluto or baking or anything na you are very interested in. So I think in-nurture mo ngayon yung iyong abilities. You are stepping into your own power ngayong January. It's like a brand new you. Bagong ikaw. You are going to rediscover your purpose, rediscover your abilities, your talents, what else pa, ano pa yung kaya mong gawin. O yung iba, ang i-discover nyo ay yung talent nyo sa design, no? Creative arts. This is going to bring success sa inyo. Yung iba may kinalaman sa damit, no? Fashion. See? Discovery. Trying something new and exploring other options will help you learn and grow. The opportunities are just waiting for you to be discovered. Andyan na raw sa harapan ninyo. Kailangan nilang kayo ang kumilos. Ayan, slow and steady. Slowly but surely being careful in each and every step will minimize errors in your projects. There's no need to rush. Just enjoy the process. Ayan. Hinay-hinay lang din daw. Enjoy mo raw yung proseso na yan, ng mga bagay na susubukan mo sa career mo, sa business mo, sa finances mo, sa investments mo. See? Mainstream. It's time to be seen and show your talent to the world. Your business is getting more audience at this time. Wow. So kung kayo ay nasa social media, kayo ay content creator, I think mas marami kayong magiging followers, viewers, mga parokyano, ganyan, na nakaka-appreciate or mas makaka-appreciate ng work ninyo. And even sa inyong career, sa trabaho ninyo, mas makikilala kayo sa company na yan dahil nakikita nila yung potential mo. Mas inilalabas mo na yung talento mo na dati mahiyain ka. Tapos, magaling ka pala sa pagsasalita. So, pwede ka nilang i-recruit as a trainer, 'di ba? Sa relationship naman, medyo maingat ka ngayon. Kasi pwedeng ayaw mo ng mga toxic relationships. Alam mo na mas marami kang options. Meron kang choice na to be independent, na hindi kailangang umasa sa iba, maging dependent sa isang relationship, and you are healing. Capricorn, yan muna yung inuuna mo ngayon. You are protecting your energies, you are protecting yourself sa mga toxic na situation, even relationships, friendships, connections, na alam mong hindi siya healthy for you. Any unhealthy relationships, iniiwasan mo yan because gusto mo na mag-heal ka muna at para magkaroon ka ng mas maraming options. Okay? And then, Capricorn, love approaches unexpectedly. 'Di ba? Kung kailan yung iba ingat na ingat or umiiwas sa relationship, bigla raw merong unexpected love na parating. So, pwede rin naman tong sa relationship, no, romantic connection, or pwedeng anything na pag-uukulan mo ng pagmamahal mo, appreciation mo, bagong love mo, pwedeng bagong career mo, bagong business mo, or bagong libangan mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung gusto niyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.